Hello there, Barbara Ragsdale here, your independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I wanted to do a really quick video to explain to you a little bit more in detail when I go online, and I always talk about a monthly online ordering special, which for this particular video, I'm doing this in January. So during my videos, I always will tell you that if you order at least $25 or more on my website using this particular host code, and this is my website, that you always get a free cut kit for the month. And what that means is every single month I premiere a different stamp set, a different bundle. It could be items from a particular suite. I always feature at least one item, and that is my monthly online ordering special, which means when you place an order of $25 or more, you're going to get a free cut kit in order to make the 4 pre-designed cards that I've already done. Now typically right around the 1st or the closest to the 1st, I do my Facebook Lives in order to show you how to put together these cards. But let me show you what the kits actually look like. So we're going to start with this particular card. And when you get your free cut kit, when I say that everything is cut for you, die cut for you, that I could possibly do, this is just an example to show you what you're going to be getting. So there's your card base, there's your mat, your designer series paper. You have a cut flower that you will need to color yourself. I can't do any stamping just because of Stampin' Up! Policies. And then you also have your, oops, I got the 2 pieces over here. You have your background pieces. And then you have the pieces that layer over that are already die cut for you. And in some cases, the adhesive may already be on the back, which is super helpful for you so that you don't have to worry about putting adhesive on the back. You just peel them off and then place them directly on the layers that are included. And then you have this one little piece here that's designed for that little stamped part of you. And then you're also going to have any accessories that go with it. So that is one card. And then we get to this card. And you're going to have your base. So as you can see, everything is almost already done for you. You just have to assemble and do some stamping. There's your black matte base, your designer series paper. You've got your strip of cardstock, the ribbon that you need. There's the die cuts again. You will have to poke any little pieces out that need to be poked out, but those are like super simple. I keep them in there just to help stabilize the pieces. And then you have your trinkets. And then you also have, let's see if I can get, you'll also have any other accessories that go with it. Okay. And then you have this card. So then you have your base, your black mat, your designer series paper that once again you'll have to color, and you'll have to put, if you want the Wink of Stella on there, you'll have to put Wink of Stella on yourself. And then you have your punches, your heart punches, and then your mats. And this is one piece, you'll just have to poke the pieces out. In this particular die, I left it on because the L is separate from the OVE. So you just punch everything out. And once again, adhesive is already on the back for you. So there's that card. And then we have this card. Your mat, your base, your mat, your designer series paper, your black mat, your white piece to stamp on, your 2 trinkets, and any other accessories that you need. So I hope that helps you to understand that when I talk about a free kit in the mail, for just by ordering with me and it being at least a $25 more purchase, that when you go to my website and you use the host code, and it'll change every single month, that this is a great example of what you're going to be getting just by ordering with me. So I hope this little explanation helped. I'm a visual person, so I like to be able to share visuals with you guys as well. But thank you for watching, and I hope to see you. I'm live every Sunday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, and then I'm also live on Wednesday evenings at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time to do 12 by 12 layouts. So thank you guys. Bye-bye.